You guys, we're back talking. I haven't been gone from videos for that long, but I haven't done a talking video in like ages, so we're back. So let's chit chat. It's been a minute since we talked. ColourPop foundation brush. This is the Fenty foundation. And this brush actually isn't bad. Yeah, this is like definitely my summertime. Like in the summertime, this matches me perfectly. Right now, a little orange. It's very good for coverage though, as you can see. This is just like a super light layer I have on here. So I'm gonna contour with this. I contour with this, what is this? This is the Full Spectrum CoverGirl Matte Ambition. I like to contour like at the base and then maybe do like a light little touch of like contouring powder at the end. The shade, this is Deep Golden 2. This is like very dark for me. Well, not very dark, but it's like 2 to 3 shades darker, which is like what your contour shade should be. This is the ColourPop Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer. The color, so I lay down a darker shade first and then I put a lighter shade on top. So my dark shade is, well, not dark shade, but the darker shade is dark 175. And the lighter shade I put on top is dark 145. I really like these concealers. I liked ColourPop's original concealers as well. Those are also very good. I'd recommend both. I would just say like if you want like for every day, I prefer this. Okay, so I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush. This is the contour brush, but I like the Don't Move It. I use this to conceal under my eyes day to day. I've never used it for a full beat, so we'll see how it works. A lighter shade I don't spread nearly as far, just like a little bit right here. And I do this day to day. I just use a lot less of both. So like, I don't know, maybe I should do like an updated like day to day routine for you guys, like everyday makeup. Would you guys want to see that? And I'm gonna drag my highlight down my nose. I also don't have any contacts on, so if you notice I'm squinting. Also, if you hear my neighbors upstairs, look. So I know we moved, you guys. We don't have any more baby kids, but we do have we are on the ground floor now, so we do have neighbors above us. And they're like the heaviest footed, loudest people. They're probably not even that loud. No, they're loud. I take that back. Y'all loud. I can't wait for the summer because we actually have a backyard now. So a backyard in New York City, super rare. All right. And it's like our backyard. It's not shared. It's ours. So I can do whatever I want back there. Not really though, because people in my building can see back there. So I can't be out there naked or nothing. Something so small. Make sure that you are blending out all of those creases, because if you put it down and you have creases in there, it's just gonna set the crease. So just go back through with your beauty blender or your brush, whatever you're using, and blend it out before you apply your setting powder. Now, I'm not necessarily baking today. I'm just like, I'm not gonna do my brows on camera. I have a brow routine. Okay, brows are filled. I'm using, recently I've been using the Benefit Brow Styler in the shade number 4. Also, you guys, Mama Pat is coming out with a concealer. Now, I know a lot of you saw my review of the Skin Fetish. Some people really liked it. I personally did not. It's just my personal opinion. For a girl that has oily skin in the summer, it was just not a no-go for me. Jackie and a little bit of Huda. So usually what I like to all right, so for our eyes, you guys know I usually get to go in with a color in the crease that's closer to my skin tone. So I think we're gonna use Buzzkill from the ColourPop palette. This is a Sigma E40 taper blending brush. This isn't even necessarily for like a shade. When I blend in a shade that's like closer to my skin tone lightly before I go in with like any heavy colors, it makes everything blend together seamlessly. All right, now I'm gonna take credit with this brush and still tapping it off. I'm gonna focus it like right in this outer corner to just build up some depth in this shade. I'm not really gonna drag it in here because I want that to stay light, but I just want there to be some depth in my outer corner. And with this, you can kind of do like little windshield wiper movement. Well, not windshield wiper, but like little circular movements, tiny circular movements. All right, depth added. And I'm not really going for a cut crease, so I'm gonna take my finger and just sort of blend that up. And that's just to like make sure that whatever color I'm laying down underneath here, that the color really shows. I'm gonna go with Queen Bee from the ColourPop palette. This is very pretty goldeny color. It's still soft, you guys. And I'm gonna start by packing it on close to the lash line first. And sometimes your fingers just work a little bit better than brushes, you guys. Don't ever be afraid to go in with your finger. I'm gonna use a little bit of this shade from the Huda palette on the like inner corner. That. Little piece. Okay, I have one wing down. Let me just say this came out a lot thicker than I wanted it to. We're gonna roll with her. She's a good wing though. What I will say is if you are having trouble with your winged eyeliner, the best thing to do is just take your time. So this is the I Am palette by Oba. I hope I'm saying it right. Look at these two beautiful African queens in here. They were so kind enough to send me this, and I'm using this shade Adwa. I don't know how to say it, but this orange shade right here at the bottom, this matte orange. I was gonna use that green next to it, but I'm gonna use this orange. It's a bright, but it's not as bright as the orange would be. Okay, it's from this Palooza, this pressed glitter ColourPop. I'm gonna bring it up. We're gonna contour with our favorite Sephora contouring palette. I use these two shades. So that is usually reserved for the summer. These two, I mix them together. I just do a little light, a little fluffy. This is my favorite contouring brush. This is the Morphe M530. You want to do that, I'm gonna eat that before so that your mascara isn't running. This is the Milk Kush mascara. I love this mascara. It's very volumizing, very lengthening. You're probably not gonna be able to really tell today though because my eyeliner is so thick. All right, so we're using our e.l.f. liner. My favorite part about this liner is the other side has a little brush on it, a little lip brush for easy blending. I Will Succeed by Real Her. Don't forget I have a discount code, so if you like this, I think you get like 15% off. I'll put the code below. Julep gloss. This is the Ultra Hydrating Gloss in Mood. Very pinky. But that's my look today. I just thought I would sit down and chat with you guys because it's been a while since I've done that, and just not even really chat, but just like talk through my makeup tutorial versus just like fast forward everything and have music playing. So yeah, everything, all the products will be linked below as usual. Probably gonna record something else right now, like a favorites. We haven't done that in a while, and I will see you guys next time.